Hey, I just want you to know that you are already awesome, even if you don't always feel like it. You may be going through some things or experiencing a lot of stress in your life, and I get it. But that's why I want you to come to this workshop. For this weekend, I want you to leave those stresses behind as you learn and apply these relaxation techniques. Learn about stress reduction tips to use at work and at home, and have a great time in our breakout sessions. Now, when you leave this workshop, you'll even be more awesome, but now relaxed and ready for those life stressors. Please join me, Dr. Dietrich Gorman, America's Relaxation Doctor, at the Relaxed and Ready workshop being held June 24th and 25th in Odessa, Texas. But what else can I tell you? It's going to be an amazing workshop full of fun, learning, and of course, relaxation. I can't wait to meet you.